Hi guys, it's me hajra.vadhariya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing great and having a great day. So today I have brought this video that I wanted to do for so long, and I feel this is really fun and interesting. So as you can see by the title already, we are doing my Instagram followers control my makeup tutorial. So they're more like, my Instagram followers control my life, control my day, control my makeover. So I thought, let's do my Instagram followers control my makeup tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys like this idea. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. And yeah, so with that all being said, if you guys like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a feedback in the comments below, and if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Okay guys, so I did uploaded stories on my Instagram. I gave you guys choices for each makeup step. I gave you choice between two products, and my story was live since 7 hours, which is like enough time for you guys to choose. So I'm very excited to do my makeup routine and my makeup tutorial according to you guys. It's actually fun and I like it. So as you know, obviously I cannot do my entire face, but I did give you choices for each and every makeup step that I do for my makeup tutorials. So yeah, without all being said, let's get into it. Okay guys, so first thing first, we have our primers. I did give you a choice between Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer and Beautify by Amna's Pore Fade Primer. So you guys chose the Beautify by Amna Pore Fade Primer, which is interesting. So yeah, whatever. Next we have our foundation, and I gave you choice between Kat Von D and Milani, and you guys chose Milani. I actually love this foundation. I don't need concealer with it, and this is my go-to foundation when I'm shooting my YouTube videos. It's amazing. Next we have our concealers, and from Tarte Shape Tape and Too Faced Born This Way, you guys chose Tarte Shape Tape, so that's what we are using. So now we have to set this all base and the concealer. So I did give you choice between the Glam Girl Loose Setting Powder and the Beautify by Amna powder. You guys chose Beautify by Amna. So we are done with setting our base really nicely, and now we'll be doing eyebrows. For that, I gave you choice between Sephora and Benefit Brow Kits. You guys chose Benefit Brow Kits. Now let me tell you, I would say I do my brows before foundation, but I wanted to do it now. So this was my poll, and you guys chose the Benefit one, which I use all the freaking time. So that's what we are going to use now. So here's my Benefit browsings. I will be using Beautify by Amna's eyebrow brush to do my brows. So let's slay the brows real quick.
2,000 years later.
Now we are finally done with the brows. For some reason they are a little more brown on camera. They look super brown, but I don't know what's wrong. I did try the new lighting, so let's just ignore that. So now we are done with the brows, and it's time to do eyeshadows. And for the eyeshadows, I gave you guys choices between two palettes, the Modern Renaissance palette and the Nervina palette, both from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And you guys chose Modern Renaissance. I actually love both these palettes, but yeah, so let's use this. Now I will be doing a simple look with a little bit of shine. So I did wanted to add a little slightly bit of shine and glam to this look, and I gave you a choice between the Stila liquid glitters and the hajra glitters. You chose Stila. So this is Stila's Kitten Karma that we'll be using. I'm going to take very little bit of it and tap it very slightly and cover again with the shimmer shade, because I don't want extreme glitter. I just want a little bit of shine through the eyeshadows. Next in line is mascara. I gave you choice between the Tarte mascara and the Marc Jacobs mascara. Most of you guys chose Tarte, so that's what we're doing. Next, we have to do our lashes. I gave you choice between the Zouche and the Sara Lee Cosmetics lashes. You guys chose these Sara Lee Cosmetics, so I'm going to use this. This is, by the way, the new dreamy style that I just got. I actually love their lashes. I was in love with Love Struck, so I also got this another style which is called Dreamy. It's beautiful. So let's quickly put on the lashes. Boom, we are done. Okay. Excuse that lash coming out. My eyes were watering for some reason, so yeah, that's all right. Let's just ignore that. So our lashes is done, and now I give you highlighter choices between the MAC highlighter and the Tarte highlighter. You guys chose MAC, which is my favorite. MAC Soft and Gentle, baby, I love you. So let's slay that glow game. So we're done with everything, and these were all the steps that I usually do for my YouTube makeup tutorials. So I did give you guys choices for each of the steps. I hope you guys like this look first of all, and I hope you guys like this video idea. I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually enjoyed you guys controlling my makeup tutorial and choosing each and every product, so it was actually fun and really amazing. So with that all being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video fun. If you do, please give me a like, share my videos and my channel with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can follow me on my Instagram, which is hajra.vadhariya_, and on my Snapchat, which is hajra.vadhariya. So with that all being said, I love you guys so very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys very, very soon with another video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.